All right, guys, I wanted to talk about your first terms assignment. This is going to be for Topic 1, Lesson 1, Living Things. And a note with this, don't forget that you guys will have a terms quiz over these 8 terms next class. Most of my quizzes either are going to be matching or occasionally there will be some true-false or some multiple choice tossed in. So for doing this terms activity, you're going to first need to click on the terms themselves. So this is going to link you to this page here. These are the terms in order that I want you to know them, or at least in the order that they fall in the book. If you haven't already done so too, remember you need to join my 6:30 Life Science Mr. Kelly 2020 through 2021 class. This is the one that's going to contain all of the different term sets that I have for you this year. And so far, there's still quite a few of you guys that have not joined. So I'll be able to see when you do. All right. In other words, these are all the guys who've joined the class so far. Make sure that you sign up so that I can see that you're accessing the information. And it's also going to be helpful just because then you're a part of this class and you don't have to search for the individual sets. Now, with this, it's pretty simple to work on how you do these. So I'm going to actually reverse these two screens and see if I can get this to show up. So let me see if I can get this to work. So if you are looking at this, you're going to have your left-hand side of your page that has the term listed and numbered. The right side of the page is going to have the definition. All the terms should be listed on there, and you should also have the term and the definition that's on the same line. So make sure that those pair up. So now that you know how you're going to actually be writing out and formatting your terms in your notebook, just remember once you get all of them copied over that you need to take a picture of the assignment just like you do most of your other assignments, and you're going to submit that picture to this page here. Remember, this is the teacher side of things. Yours is going to have a submit assignment button, and just like you've done with the other assignments, you're going to attach the photo or photos and then submit that here. You'll be able to see on the right hand side when you submit it as a receipt that you've gotten that completed. If you have any questions along this, make sure you reach out. Remember, you guys have a terms quiz over these 8 terms. And just a couple quick suggestions when you are looking at the terms in Quizlet, and when you actually get to the point of studying, there's a couple ways to look at it. You can see the terms as a full set, or you can actually go and play, or you can look at them as flashcards, as you see right up here, or you can play different games. All right, so there's a few options for you for studying these and getting prepared for the quiz.